In all demonstration programs up to this point, we have not been concerned with the number of decimal places that have been displayed in our output. You can specify number of decimal places by using C's stream manipulators, which will format the output so it displays a certain number of decimal places. You are already familiar with one of the C stream manipulators. That's called inline, or ENDL, which advances the cursor to the next line. C has many other stream manipulators. Two examples of these are set precision and set iOS flags, which you can use to format your program's output. Unlike the inline stream manipulator, which is defined in the iostream.h header file, the set precision and set iOS flag stream manipulators are defined in a header file named iomanip.h. So therefore, in order to use these manipulators, we need to include an additional compiler directive, such as include iomanip.h. This will now give us access to the so-called stream manipulators. A stream manipulator is like an on-off switch. You turn it on when you want the compiler to start using it, and it will remain on until you give it a different command or turn it off. I wish to display the result of my calculations here, so I will include another cout statement that will specify my stream manipulators. You can use the set precision manipulator to specify the number of decimal places to display in the output's numbers. The syntax of the set precision manipulator is as follows. The word set precision followed by, in parentheses, the number of decimal places that you would like to display. In this case, I'll display 2. You can also format a program's numeric output with the set iOS flags manipulator, whose syntax is as follows. Set iOS flags followed by a parentheses. Inside the parentheses, iOS standing for input-output stream, followed by 2 colons. At this point, I will specify fixed to indicate that I wish a fixed number of decimal points. I will then follow this with a pipe symbol, followed by iOS, once again double colons, and then show point. Parentheses closed, followed by a semicolon. Now this command will tell the C compiler to, at this point in the execution of the program, to set the precision to 2 decimal places, and then set the iOS flags to a fixed, and then to show the decimal point. So everything that happens from this point on will be in that format. Let's compile the program to see if we've written the correct syntax. As you can see, it has come back with 0 errors and 0 warnings. We'll now execute. The program is now running. I'll type in a 9. And as you can see, the square of the number is now displayed as 81.00, and the half of the number is 4.5. But notice 4.50, that is. Notice the number of decimal places are consistent now. You could enter different data for this set precision and set iOS flags to create a different effect for different situations. Just remember, however, that the effect of these stream manipulators will remain in effect until you counteract them with a different statement. Also, one last reminder, you'll recall that in order to use these stream manipulators, you need to have the compiler directive iomanip.h included at the top of your program.